Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is my Ipsy versus Boxy for the month of May. So we all know what this is about. It's Battle of the Beauty Boxes. So I'm obviously not going to do a try on because I already have makeup on today. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. So for Ipsy, I believe I have several things that I added on here. So yeah, because Ipsy's card is a little bit weird this month. Like Ipsy's card, it says highlighter, powder, liquid, cream, but it doesn't like tell me the specific items that are in here. So then I get confused because there's some things that I don't remember if I added on or if they're okay. So it's called Get That Glow. So first thing in here, I know this is not an add-on. These are some brushes from MOTD. And we've got the No Fudge Just Smudge, Pencil Me In, Masterpiece Crease, Sultry Smudge, and Straight to the Point. So it's 5-piece brush set. Very nice. We also got a Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara, which is always good. I have mascaras pending for a Mascara Monday, guys, that I have to do for you guys. Next thing in here is Mimosa Moment Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, something smells weird in here. The box smells so weird. Okay, so it's a little tiny palette. It has a little cute mirror. And then you get these colors right here. That's a very nice, like, neutral palette. Cute colors. Of course, I feel like the camera's not picking it up, right? Because this color right here, I feel like it's more like a reddish, like burgundy-ish color. And I feel like the camera's picking it up more like a brown. But these are really nice, like, neutral colors you can take with you on an everyday. Or you can use for an everyday and take them with you, like, on a little weekend trip. Next thing in here, this I added on. This is from Cake Beauty, and I love Cake Beauty. I love their dry shampoo, by the way, let me tell you. So this is the Curl Friend Totally to Die For Defining Curl Cream, Frizz Fighting, Curl Defining, Glossy Silk Styling. And this is cruelty free. It's so cute. I love their packaging because it's so cute, and I also love how their things smell. Everything smells like cake batter. So I love that, and I really like their dry shampoo. I think it's like been my favorite dry shampoo to date. So I really wanted to try this curl cream. This I also added on, and this is the Rose Quartz Facial Massager from Grace and Stella, and it says this rose ain't thorny. So a lot of people have talked about this. I was very skeptical because I'm like, that's probably like the most gimmickiest, right? Gimmickiest thing I've ever heard. But a lot of people have talked about it and they've raved about it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna have to try it. So the box is actually really cute. Look at it, like little heart. That's adorable. And of course it's pink and rose gold. So that's another reason why I had to have this one. So pretty. It's heavy, sturdy. So I'm not exactly sure what each side is for. So it says, I'm going to read you the directions because I don't even know how to use this, but yet I got it. Apply your favorite serum or facial oil over cleansed skin. Start at the chin using the bigger roller side and roll up and outward towards the ears. So, oh my God, it's cold too. Oh my God, that feels so nice. Okay, and then it says use smaller roller side around the eyes and orbital bone. Keep face roller in refrigerator for better depuffing results. You know, Brittany Boren Leach said that she does that. She puts it in the refrigerator. So I'm guessing around the eyes it's like this. And then continue massaging for as long as you wish. Roll every morning and evening for best results. So I'm gonna start doing this, guys. Oh, this, I think both of these or one of these was an add-on. I don't know now. I really don't. I don't remember. But this is a blender brush. And of course, I had to have this because it has glitter. And it was only like $3. And this one is rose gold. And this is also a blender brush. And this one is from Farrah. I don't remember if this is an add-on. But this one is like pink, like that rose gold pink. I don't remember if that one is or not. The next thing in here is from Nomad, and this is Sydney Bather's Kiss of Sun palette. So we've got bronzers and we've got highlighters in here. So let me show you what those look like. They're nice. I'm not gonna swatch them because I don't know if I'm keeping this yet, because guys, I have so many bronzers and highlighters, but these are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I love it. So I don't know yet if I'm keeping this, so I will not swatch. We have two more things in here, and this is a Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the color Cupcake. Look how cute this is. Is that upside down? Yeah. Look how cute that is. I love the color, the packaging. So now let's see the lip color. Oh, I like that. Those are the kind of nudes that I like. You know what I mean? Like, this is like a pinky brownie nude. I hate nudes that like wash you out where you feel like you're dead. At least for me, I have an issue with that. I can't. That's why it's difficult for me to wear nudes. And then the last thing in here is the little bag, and this is a very cute summery bag. I really, guys, I'm dying to go on a vacation. It has like a yellow tassel, like little fringe thing, and then it's like blue, and it goes into like a little ombre into yellow. I like this bag actually. This reminds me of the beach, of vacation. I love it. Okay, so in Ipsy, just to clarify, guys, we got this. We've got the Sugar Coat liquid lipstick. We got the mascara. We got the eyeshadow palette, and we got the brushes. Everything else was an add-on. So what actually came in Ipsy was this. Love it. Love it. Now let's see Boxy. All right, guys. So for Boxy, this month is called Mother Nature. Now, I did open this before, and we already ran into a mishap. And I was super sad about it because this is the one product that I really wanted to try out of the bag. But I already contacted them, and they are going to send me a replacement. So I'm very excited about that. So I had to put it in this Ziploc because it's completely shattered. But it is, look at that. It is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I am really hoping that they are able to replace it with the same thing because I'm dying to try this out, even though I'll still try it like this. But I mean, come on. It smells so good. It smells like a berry smoothie. Oh my God. Que rico. I can't take it. It smells so good. That retails for $49, so I definitely want my replacement. All right, next thing in here are some lashes, and now that I'm experimenting with lashes, I don't mind getting them as much. These are from Baddington, and they're the Harlow 3D Silk Lashes with a mini glue, so they bring a little glue. And these retail for $31. Next thing in here is from House Laboratories, and this is a liquid eyeliner, which, guys, no. How many times do I have to say that I don't want to get liquid eyeliner? I don't know how to use it. The packaging is nice, but I don't know how to use it. I want to start practicing, but they literally, I have to say that in these boxes, I get a liquid eyeliner at least once a month, or at least once every 2 months. Next thing in here, that actually retails for $20. Next thing in here, I'm excited to try. This is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their eyeshadow primer. They have pretty packaging too, guys. Have you ever seen their packaging for like their powder thing? Look how pretty this is. I got this in another Ipsy, I believe. I mean, in another Boxycharm. This is the translucent setting powder. It's so pretty. So yeah, I really like their packaging a lot. Excuse the mess in the background. And then last thing in here, which is like full of the mask stuff. This is from Tarte, and this is the Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. I'm excited to try this too. This is $18. So I'm excited about this one too. This is a full size, and I like to try cleansers and stuff like that, so I'm excited about that. So in Boxy, we got this Tarte Micellar Water. We got the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. We got some lashes. We got the eyeliner. And we got the mask, the Glam Glow mask. So to be honest with you, I actually like both boxes, but I definitely always have to keep giving it to Ipsy, guys. Like Ipsy, I don't know, like they have, it's like a mascara, they have highlighter, they have eyeshadow, bronzer, brushes. I loved it. I loved the Ipsy box. And that's not counting any of my add-ons that I added on. From the Boxycharm box, I can literally tell you I'm excited about the Micellar Water, the eyeshadow primer, and the Glam Glow mask if they send me a replacement. That's it. I can't really say I'm excited about all 5 products. So I have to give May to Ipsy. Ipsy takes the cake again, guys. Ipsy, I'm telling you, Ipsy has really brung it with that the Glam Bag Plus. I've been loving every single thing I get, so I'm super excited about that. Let me know what you guys think of these boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and battle. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all of that stuff that I always ask you to do. Don't forget that I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.